The Cute Ones Activities!
Hi everybody, it's time to play with animals. Let's start drawing.
Yeah!
This animal has a long tail like that, sharp ears like this, and also whiskers. Well, do you already know which animal we're drawing?
It's a cat!
Well done! Great job! Now I want to know the place the cat sleeps. In a nest or in a cushion?
On a cushion!
Yes, you got it! And can you tell us what sound the cat makes? Could it be that one?
No!
And how about that?
No!
Maybe that?
Yes! That's the sound of a cat!
That's right. That is the sound of a cat. Do you know what animals made the other sounds? Leave your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Download the Cute Ones app, available for tablets and smartphones. Bye-bye. See you soon.